Kwape ipone edio pelo da kapana kinotor ikilabun aja ikili abole ashongun I district alwe giligila kokara moja kesi ageutu akapanakin itimunu kech kanu abole ashokangun. Kresi nandudu Apollo Kintonu abole show ko district alokona kapiripiri ngesi ebalebe abole ashongun nese ejamunebe epote aikeun atalantan.
I would like to thank Karamoja Games for this opportunity. It's an opportunity whereby we are having community sports being brought on board. As a sports officer, I'm charged with the role of promoting sports both in community and in schools. However, we have tried. We want to thank the government of Uganda for the funding that it's offering to the schools, especially the primary and secondary schools, for regional and national competitions.
Abolashonu ekalo ilukumini harekeda akaisaralu are kesi aponi tegea rai ko district aloko na kapiripirit ageta na elap lo atubur ayatakiti nandudu I live apugan anyinebe iganyo abolasho kotoma adoke na kere.
If at all we developed community sports, definitely we would lure some of these children back to school. Community sports is being looked at through non-governmental organizations. These non-governmental organizations, some of them are not sustainable. You find this year you have the games, or a certain organization is supporting you in terms of implementing games. The next year their contract is over, and that one brings in a gap. So for the sake of continuity, I'm requesting kindly the government through the Ministry of Gender, Labour and Social Development to have a grant which can support sports in the communities, because sports in the communities we can work together with the DCBOs in making sure that sports in the community is done, and I know we shall tap as many talents as possible.
Apollon Echolong, Karamoja Games, Richard Okot, Nisa Balibi, Abolasho Moon, Keseralos Kine, Kanu Ayaunai Morkikina, Karamoja.
We want to ensure that we unite the entire Karamoja. We want to ensure that we get the best talents be exposed in Karamoja, and we want to thank the government of Uganda that has really ensured that we the Karamojans are able to move among each other, because previously it was not possible. But now we are happy with the NRM government that the Karamojans can move together and converge and have the games.
A district alo kamudat kesi apotu ikekionus kwape telekarak lo abole ashoka ngun nuda etolo stay o district loko kotido okalo lukumniare kedito manaka nyangun. Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East Konaka Priprit District.
You are only seeing one.